Well, the gang is back. We are still on the hunt for a double-digit fish. Conditions are a bit different today. If you guys didn't watch the last episode, let me catch you guys up to speed. For the past 2 days, I have been bouncing around southwest Texas in the middle of the desert looking for big bass, fishing the same lake for the past 2 days. It's day number 3 right now, and where I'm at is got huge fish. Just like a week ago, some guy caught like a 15-pounder. Last year, some guy caught a 12 and a 14 consecutively. What the hell? Some insane fish apparently have been coming out of this lake. So I'm taking it upon myself to really buckle down and try to catch these elusive giant bass. All I really want is a 10-pounder. I'm not even asking for a 15, a 14, or even a 12, just a 10. I'm the only one on the lake, as I have been for the past like 3 days, and we're gonna see if we can make it happen. I'm gonna try some finessier gear here. The water temp is, drum roll please, I don't know what it is. What is the water temp? 64, that is warm. Day number 3 on the grind. Let's make it happen. What the hell? You've got to be kidding me. This can't be real. You're not going to believe what is going on. Oh my God. So I'm in the back of this creek right now. And, fuck, did someone just leave their rod here? What is going on? What? I can't make any sense of this. There is line in the water. Looks like maybe someone tied off a piece of string to a reed, and I snagged the line, and sure enough, on the line is a catfish. Funny enough, this isn't my first time I've ever done this. This is the second time I've snagged line with catfish on it. It's this lucky guy's day though. We're gonna save his life. I don't know why people do that. Yeah, someone's literally got a line tied off to a water bottle. That's so crummy. Thing is, this fish is just gonna sit here forever, so whatever. I'm just gonna cut it off. It's like one thing to do that in the middle of the lake, but in a tiny little creek where other people are fishing, that's like kind of bogus. Honestly, I would normally feel bad about doing that, but that catfish is gonna sit there forever. They may never even come back and check their jug line. I'm just gonna ixnay that. It's ridiculous. It's so annoying. That was a pretty good one. See ya. Look at that bass, look at that bass, oh my God. Look at that bass. He's really interested in my swim bait. Do you guys see that? That's incredible. That's like probably about a 4 or 5 pounder. Just coming up to look at my swim bait. Wow, that's crazy. Seeing some big fish back here today. Yesterday there weren't too many big ones, but today there's definitely some much bigger fish. Oh, look at this one, he's coming right after it. He's coming right after it. He wants it, he wants it. He wants it. Wow, this big swim bait really has the attention of some of these largemouth in here. Crazy how you switch things up a little bit and then the fish are like, oh, okay, I'll cooperate. That was about a 2-pounder that just followed me in. It's like all I want to do is make babies and attack bluegill. Look at that, that's so crazy. Look at that. That fish just doesn't know what to do with it. These fish, they're so curious in the big swim bait. It's one of the reasons why I just pulled it out right now. I didn't necessarily think I'd have any fish commit just because I've already ran through here with my boat and spooked a lot of them, but I at the very least had confidence that I'd have a few that would come out of the reeds and look at this thing. I mean, if there are some double-digit bass in here, they're definitely going to pay attention to this bluegill. That is like facts. There we go. There's a fish. Well, I said I wasn't going to flip today, but guess what? I'm flipping today. It's like I couldn't figure out how to catch them in the creek, and I don't know. I tried the top water didn't work. So I went back to flipping, and here we are, catching fish. They're just not the right ones. You'd think there'd be some big ones moved up on these reeds, but there just is not. Get out of here. Ah, bugger. I'm trying. I'm trying. They just don't want to cooperate. Holy shit, giant. Oh my God, that was a giant. Oh. He ate it while I was reeling it up. That was a big fish. Oh my God, that was a big one. That was actually a big bass. What the hell? That was a good fish. 100% a nice bass. It's like the second big bite I've lost today. There's a nice one. That's a decent one. Definitely the biggest one of the trip right there. Let's go! Yes, we're getting some good fish now. We're getting some good fish now. This is a little bit better. This is a little bit better. That's probably just a half a pound shy of 3 pounds. Who am I kidding? That's probably about a 2 pounder. Good fish though, much, much bigger. Oh God, do they have some teeth though? Damn, these fish have some teeth. Whew. Let's keep cranking them. They're in the reeds. I said I wasn't gonna flip today, but they're obviously on the flip bite. Why would I change? I'm not going to. Let's keep flipping. Okay, another one. Gonna put him back where he came from. See you, guy. Whew. Another one. Definitely a lot more fish today, just not very big. Another one. Decent fish. A little bit better. A little bit better. That's a little bit better. Still not huge, but a step in the right direction. Fat and stubby. The bandito bug is putting in work. Throwing a bamboo bug. This water's a bit stained, so the bamboo bug seems like a good choice. God dang, he smoked it. See ya. Nice, soft, graceful release for that one. See you later, peanut butter. Well, my dumb ass was not recording for this, but I just caught possibly the biggest fish of the trip, which isn't saying much because it's only about a 3 pounder, but still, we're heading in the right direction. I think I said this last episode, but it's all about forward motion. As long as we're getting bigger and more fish, I couldn't be happier. See you later. They are definitely more bitey today. That is for sure. The conditions have flipped. It's now cold and cloudy, and they are pushed farther back into the reeds. And I'm loving it because they're more predictable today, way more predictable. That was so sick. That's a good one too. That's a good fish. Came up and ate it on the surface. Oh my God, that was so dirty. That's a nice fish. Wow, that was dope. Yes! Get in the boat. These fish are so much more fired up today, like so much more fired up. It's quality fish. We're getting some much bigger bites today, and the bass are more aggressive. I think I've already caught more fish in a matter of like 2 or 3 hours than I have all yesterday. Man, we are moving. We are moving. It's all about that forward motion. As long as we're getting bites and we're getting more fish and the fish are bigger, I'm happy. Damn, I'll take it. I think these fish are starting to spawn, and like it's happening right now. Oh, that was so dirty. Fierce. See you later, dude. Oh my God, that's fun. Oh, ooh, it's coming. I need to poop so bad. Hold it. Hold it. I need to get out of here. I'm gonna poop my pants. I'm literally gonna poop my pants. I'm literally going to myself. Oh my God, you guys. I want to keep flipping this island, but I am legitimately on the verge of myself. I've never had to poop this bad in my entire life. I gotta go find a pile of reeds or maybe a nice dock to poop under because oh my God, I am literally a sneeze away from just destroying my pants. I gotta put this in on plane. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Hang in there. Hang in there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh no! No, no, come on, come on, come on, come on. Make it to the bush. Make it to the bush. Oh my God. I'm not even exaggerating. This is unbelievable. I'm in so much pain. Like, I kind of had to poop this morning, but I was like, I'll be all right. I'm only gonna fish for like 4 or 5 hours out here on the lake. But wow, it has hit me like a hurricane. Holy guacamole. Okay, Lucky, stand aside. Watch out, Lucky. I need to grab the toilet paper. Move. Every time I squat, I feel like I'm gonna just myself. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, that was a close one. I figure I'd use this opportunity to give you guys a lowdown as to how I've been catching these fish today. It seems like today is a little bit better. I don't necessarily know the total body count for how many bass I've caught today, but I think it's right around maybe 6. I've had probably a total of like 10 bites, but I've capitalized on only 6 of those, which I think is a little bit better than yesterday. And yesterday I only caught like maybe a 2 pounder at my biggest, maybe. For some reason, it seems like these fish are pushed up shallower in stuff that looks like this. these reeds are holding fish. And there isn't a whole lot of reeds in this lake, but what reeds there are seem to be fairly productive. This right here is what I'm flipping in the reed. I'm using a 1/4 ounce pegged tungsten bullet weight with a, I think this is a 3/0 flipping hook. And of course, none other than the beautiful bodacious bandito bug. Check the link down below, pick up some of these bugs. They're seriously one of my favorite lures that we make, including the Kraken Crawl. The Kraken Crawl, the bandito bug, and the lunker log right now are the 3 lures that I would very, very, very much suggest throwing this spring if you haven't already done so. The rod and reel, straightforward, 7/6 heavy action with a 6.3 to go. Talk normal. With a 6.3 to gear, with a 6.3 to gear. With a, what am I trying to say? With a 6.321 gear ratio casting reel spooled up with 25-pound teeth. I mean, literally, I don't want to sound like over the top, but at any point in time, at any flip, I could catch a double-digit fish. It's scary to think how big that fish was that I had earlier. I'm actually not going to think about it. I'm just going to pretend like it didn't happen. Now that I've accomplished my poop, I think it's a perfect time to get back to flipping. What do you say? We need to upgrade a 3-pounder to like a 6-pounder at the very least. Oh, good. Oh my God, no! Oh no! I watched him eat it. Giant. Huge fish. The way that fish ate was ridiculous. Oh, how did I not hook that thing? Oh, that's actually a bite. That was a bite. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I don't know why I'm laughing. That's really not good. I just demolished the screen for my backup camera. What? Holy sh! Fully demolished. That is not good. I need a new one of these. Well, looks like we won't be filming with that camera anymore today. Turn that off. Done and dusted. I've honestly never broken a camera like that. I've been fishing and filming my entire life, and that's never happened. Sheesh, that sucks. There we go. Another one. They're in the reeds today, like in the reeds. It's a little bit better. That's just a bit better. Still, like, lingering on that 2-pound size. Not bad though. I'll take it. Take it all day, every day. Bites are welcomed in this boat. See you later. Stay. Right here, Lucky. Stay, Lucky, stay. Ooh. There we go. Oh, he came off. That was so sick. That was a fish on a bed and just popped him off. Damn it, how did I lose that fish? I didn't think he was gonna eat. He's still there. So they are bedding. There's no bed there though. He just has like kind of like a territory. This is so weird. I thought I would have seen more of this, but this is like the first officially locked bass that I found on a bed. I had to actually get off the boat to find this fish. They're spawning on the backside of these reeds, which makes sense. A sweet little spot for these fish to spawn. They're acting funky too. Like at first, I thought there was no way I was gonna get this fish to eat. And like all of a sudden I twitched the bandito bug once and he just throttles it. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. I know you want it. Oh, there's a bedding bass right here and he's gonna eat it. There we go. Got that one on the bed. Oh, decent. First sight fish bass of the trip. It took long enough, for God's sakes. Nice little bedding bass. It's so weird though. Notice its bottom fin. It doesn't look like it's actually fanning, which is so strange, but that fish was 100% on the bed. I can see the bed and everything. Better than nothing. It was kind of a lull there. It had like 2 hours of just straight, biteless, boring, mundane casting, but we finally got one. There we go. Another bedfish, this time on the lunker log. Absolutely choked the lunker log, like inhaled it Look at that, straight gone. Another bed bass, loving it. Crazy. See ya. All right, let's see if he comes back on his bed. I'll let him chill for a bit. See if he gets back on his bed, and I'm gonna thwack him. He is right there. You guys probably can't see him because it's so dense. Damn, she got some shoulders. That might be 5. I don't know. She's a fatty though. God dang. Girl, let me get them digits, girl. Let me get that weight, girl. Oh, she did not like that. Let me tell you, she did not like that. Holy moly. Oh, she keeps nipping at it. Smart fish. Knows what's about to go down, 100%. There you are. There we go. Came off. Ah, figured that would happen. Oh, it's been that week, man. It has just been that week. Let me tell you what, I'm about done bass fishing for my whole life. I don't like my odds here. My luck is starting to run out. I think this storm is swiftly approaching. I kind of anticipated this to happen today. I'd rather not get struck by lightning and soaked with rain. So we're gonna head off the water currently. Kind of a rough day, man. Lost some big fish. Absolutely destroyed one of my favorite brand new cameras. And now we're getting pushed off the water by a potentially very nasty storm. By the way, I thought it didn't rain in Southwest Texas. I don't know what this is all about. But anyway, I'm gonna cut the video here. We're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow morning, bright and breezy. I'm not giving up. We've got one more day at this mini lake in the middle of the desert to catch a giant. So, I'm gonna cut her here, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Wish us luck. Hopefully I don't get struck by lightning.
Wiener down! Let's go home. Let's go back to La Quinta.
All right, gang. Well, as much as I'd love to keep filming in the midst of the storm, I'm gonna cut the video right here. We're gonna pick up where we left off tomorrow. We've got one more day on this little mini desert lake to make it happen, to catch a double digit. Tomorrow's weather looks good. It looks Gucci. So yeah, I'm gonna try to beat this nasty weather, and we will see you bright and breezy tomorrow morning. Peace.